Hi, it's Juris and welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk, and we will have unboxing today. Check it out, I got a package from Germany from this brand, Cheyenne. That's why I want to film it now. I got it today. I want to unbox it with you and have my first impressions. This is the new model of Solnova. We also have older one that Dan is working with, so we want to do a review on that one as well. But now we have a new one, so let's see what's in the box. Pretty big box, kind of like a shoe size type of a box. My address. You can find my shop's address in a video description or on my social media. And if you have some cool stuff you want to send out, if you are some sort of brand, send it in. And if it's interesting stuff, I will at least unbox it. Solnova Unlimited 2 4.5mm stroke SNU operating unit, 2 batteries charger. Branding. Listen to this. Boom, boom. Nice branding made for artists. Check it out. Thank you for your order. It's really nice box. So all pampered in. Need more? Stock up at CheyenneTattoo.com. That's in there. And if you check our video description, there's also affiliated links where you can get a discount and we get a little. Don't forget about that. This stuff's not cheap. Stickers. Let's see. Bam. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to sleep if I wouldn't make this video today, because it's exciting. That's that, and there's something else. Okay, so that was packaging. 7 capillary liner, 5 capillary liner, and 13 mag. Paperworks, all sorts of instructions, descriptions, all sorts of modes. Adjust speed, fast switch, motor mode, fast access timer, access scrolling menu. Ooh, that's something. Okay, timers, main screens. Let's see. Ta-da! That's what we have. Charger, same like on previous model or similar. That would be that, and USB-C to USB-C cable. Batteries, 2 of those. I hope there's some juice in there. And that's the control unit, I guess. Interesting looking thing. So let's put a battery in. Where's plus, where's minus? Pretty lightweight. And the machine. Oh, and extra O-rings. There you go, 16-19mm O-rings. Cheyenne. It slides in from the top, and then there's some sort of magnetic type of a situation there. See, down. Aluminium. Oh, that popped in nicely. And there's a magnet. Yep. Bam. Okay, let's switch it on. C. Ah, C is on top. 120 hertz. Nice. Check it out, there's animation. So to switch it on, you press the C button and bam. What? Switch on. 5 seconds. Okay, what happens now? R2 motor mode, volts, hertz, timer, tilt. Oh, it still has the tilt? What? I so don't get it. Ah, like in all machines, the on-off button is also the button that runs it. It sounds like there's a kickstart. Okay, it switches by 5 hertz. There we go. There's that madness. But now they have two options. They have buttons and they have the tilty thing where you press a button and... But what is good compared to older model that you can see on what hertz. You don't have to remember just by the sound of it or vibration or something. There's a lot to look into it. There's like a menus and setting it all up. So we'll look at that part in a review. But this is the unboxing, and if you have any great ideas on what you want to see and how we test it, you can take a look at our Instagrams, at shop's Instagram, and probably me and Dan's gonna be the one who tries it and does stuff with it, so you can see what stuff we're doing and what we're capable of doing and what would be interesting to see in the test. Boom, and a typical adjustment, and we have a steel grip which Dan uses on his Soul Nova, so we'll see how that will feel with this one. Pretty cool stuff when you have that extra weight. Maybe not for long sessions, but for what I do, I enjoy heavier grips. Navigation, main screen, factory reset, brightness, display orientation, gesture speed, timer, display unit, main screen. So there's a bunch of things to look into. The exciting part is to unbox it and have hands on it and use it for work. We have options of 2.5mm stroke, 3.5mm stroke and 4.5mm stroke, which would be this one. Exciting. We can compare it later to previous model which Dan have, which is 4.0 model. Okay, the menu on its own is gonna be adventure. So we have a main screen, then we long press and it should show menu, and then with the same button you change the value, R1, S, R1, R2, R3, and with the buttons up and down you can change what it displays. There's like volts or hertz, mode, what's the R modes and all that stuff. Well, I will have something to look into. Gesture, speed, tilt, twist. What is that? So gesture speed can be tilt or twist. What's that? Ah, you can adjust it by rotating this way. That would be twist, twist, tilt. Display orientation, auto, brightness, factory reset, back. Let's get back, brightness, display, gesture. And the first thing that you get in the menu, it's those modes with R, S, R1. Let's keep it R1. Maybe it's a preset. Well, there you go. This is my first impressions. It looks awesome, feels awesome in hand. Nice weight. Menus are confusing, but they're there. And we have timer now, and we have display that shows what's the speed, what's the hertz. I guess you can change it to volts. 2 batteries, nice, 1 charging. You're working with one 4.5mm stroke machine. I have not used it yet. I used 4mm stroke one, which was pretty neat. Excited to try it for a full review, and now share your thoughts. What reasonable tests we should put it through? What do you want to see? What do you want to know about this machine? Or if you used it, what's your impressions? Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Do the usual, press likes, leave comments. If you're awesome, share this video, and we'll see you in the future episodes. The usual, stay safe, and bye.